Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix OnlyFans story upload issues. So just log into my account on my Safari browser. So the first thing is that until you purchase the subscription, you will not have the option to upload the story. If after subscription you get the issue that the story is not uploading, then how to clear your browser and check your internet connection and clear the cache of the Safari, and you will be able to see this option. So I will just move back and tap to my phone settings and find Safari browser. So when you reach your Safari browser, just tap on it and you will a little bit scroll down, and here is clear history and website data. So this is can clear your cache and refresh the apps. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.